You asked, how to divide 2891 by 2 using the long division method. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 1, making 11. 11 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 11 minus 10 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1445 remainder 1.